Namaste children, welcome back to English class. Children, in my previous video, I explained to you your 7th lesson, Girls Can't Play Cricket. And half of the lesson it was explained to you already and few more pages were left to explain. Today I am going to continue those points which are remained in that 7th chapter or 7th lesson. Please look at your screen. I am going to share those pages on your screen now. Yes children, till here we discussed in our previous video. So it means boys and girls together they decided to have a match, and match had started, and Sumit was the first batsman, and Sudha, she was the first bowler. She was bowling and Sumit was batting there. And in the very first ball itself, Sumit, he scored 4 runs. It means he hits the ball for 4 runs. Then in the second ball, he hits that ball for 2 runs. Totally he scored 6 runs. Sumit scored 6 runs. And later in the next ball itself, he was clean bowled. He was clean bowled. It means both the bails of the stumps they fell down. It means like that she bowled that girl Sudha. Like this much we discussed in our previous class. Next, after Sumit, now he is out. Now next batsman to be come and he need to be play. No? So now next batsman was Rajan. He came to bat now. So how we batted, that we are going to discuss today. Here I am going to start from here. It was Rajan's turn next. The balls were so fast that the first two just whizzed past him. It means she was bowling very fast. Sudha was bowling very fast. So when he came to bat, that Rajan, so he was watching, he was observing how she is bowling there. And first 2 balls they fastly moved in front of him. He realized that he would have to try his best. So it means he was thinking, oh, balls are very fast. Somehow I need to play. I need to score runs for my team. Like that, Rajan, he thought himself. It would not be an easy victory. If we won against these girls, definitely it will be one of the big victory for us. Victory is nothing but win. One of the big win against these girls it will become. So somehow we need to score runs and we need to win against the girls. Like that, Rajan was thinking, and he hit the next ball high for 6 runs. Now he hits for 6 runs. It means next ball itself, first 2 balls he not touched anything. So later in the third ball itself he hits 6 runs. He hits the ball for 6 runs. It means earlier those 6 runs and these 6 runs. Rajan's 6 runs, altogether 12 runs they became. Now Rajan made 15 runs and then he was run out. It means firstly Sumit, how many runs he has scored? 6 runs he has scored. Then Rajan, when he came to bat, now he has scored 15 runs. 15 plus 6, 21 it becomes. Correct now? 21 runs. When the team score was 21, he was out. He was run out. When he was going to take run, that time somehow he was run out. Then Ajay and Vicky, another 2 boys. Now Rajan and Sumit were out. Now Ajay and Vicky, they continued batting. Made another 4 runs each. It means both they got 4 runs. Ajay also he has scored 4 runs and Vicky also he has scored 4 runs. Total how many runs they became? Sumit 6 runs, Rajan 15 runs, 21 total. Now Ajay 4, 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus Vicky's 4. Total 29s. Their team score was 29. They have scored 29 runs. See, they given here. 29 runs they have scored. Now, girls' turn. Okay, now if they want to win against boys, they need to score how many runs? More than 1. How much they scored now here? 29. It means they need to score 30 runs. 29 means again it will be tie. Both are equal it becomes. So that is why now if they want to win against the boys, they need to score 30 runs. Now their batting it has started. Now, so now 29 runs they have scored, and their innings it was over. That boys innings. Here you see, don't worry, we will get the girls out in no time, said Rajan. So now it is considered as overconfidence. For boys, there was lots of overconfidence. They thought that 29 runs, girls cannot score 29 runs or more than that. So definitely we will win within no time. It means only within few minutes only we will win. So they will be out. So like that they had a very much confidence about their strength. Then Sudha faced Rajan nervously. Nervously means she was nervous means she was afraid of boys bowling. That is why this Sudha, she was very afraid, and she faced the ball of that Rajan. Rajan was bowling first here from boys side, and Sudha was batting, and she faced the Rajan's ball nervously. First ball, it missed the stumps by an inch, just saved. It means ball it just passed nearby. It means beside the wicket. Beside the wicket itself, it was passed that ball. So it means she was saved. Somehow she was saved by an inch. It was passed away nearby the stumps, or missed the stumps. And later, I mustn't be nervous, thought Sudha. She started to think herself. Now, if I nervous, I cannot hit the ball properly. I cannot score runs for my team. So we will lose this game. That is why it is better to be courageous and bat. Like that she thought herself, that Sudha, and she started her batting. And Sudha, as she faced Rajan again, now again she continued her batting. This time she hit the ball for 1 run. So now she hit the ball of that Rajan. Rajan bowled, and she hit that ball for 1 run. Then slowly the runs began to pile up. 2 runs, 3 runs, another one, and then she hit a 4. It means continuously she started to hit the ball, and she was getting runs from those boys bowling. Soon she had made 15 runs. Sudha, how many runs she has scored here? 15 runs she was scored, and the boys were getting worried now. It means they become completely worried. So now these are already reached 15 runs, another 15 runs to win against us. 15 more, if they got 15 more runs, definitely they will win against us. Now what to do? Now they worried, boys were worried. Then what they did, here you see. So then when they were worrying, at that time itself, this girl Sudha was bowled. Somehow she was out. 15 runs she has scored and she was out. It is your turn, Preeti. Now called out. It means Sudha, she shouted, oh my dear friend, I am out. You come and bat properly. It is your turn now. Like that, this Sudha, she called her friend Preeti. Now Preeti came to bat. Don't get nervous. Sumit bowled to Preeti and she hit the ball for 4 runs. Now Preeti also, she was very good batsman. She hit ball for 4 runs. She has scored 4 runs here. Now come on Sumit, shouted Rajan. Here they were encouraging those bowlers. Boys were encouraging their bowlers to out those girls. So that is why here that Sumit was shouting. Rajan was shouting to Sumit, oh Sumit, come on, bowl fast, like that. Rajan was shouting here. Don't let them win. Don't allow them win. So we need to win. Boys need to win against those girls. So if we lost this game, definitely we will get shame. So we need to win somehow against those girls. Like that Rajan was shouting to that Sumit, or his friend Sumit. Then Preeti hit 6 more runs. Earlier, how many runs she has scored here? First girl Sudha, 15 runs she has scored. Now Preeti, first she hit the ball for 4 runs. Now 6 runs. Total how many runs it became? It become total 10 runs. 10 plus 15, 25 runs. Now another 5 runs only they needed. Girls needed only another 5 runs. So now Preeti, when she hit the 6 runs, first she hit the 6 runs, and after that next ball itself she was out. She was bowled now. Now it was her mother's turn. Now Preeti's mother came to bat now. She was clean bowled on the first ball itself. Preeti's mother, she was bowled now. Now what to do? All are out now. Sudha also out. Sudha, then Preeti also out. Preeti's mother, she was also in the first ball itself, she was out. Now what to do? How they can get the runs? So now only one lady she remained to bat here now, that is Sudha's mother. How many runs they needed here now? Total they have scored already 25 runs. Another 5 more runs, it means 5 more runs they needed to win against the boys. So now look at this, here I am. You will have to make 5 runs somehow, mummy, said Sudha, as her mother went into bat. It means when she came to bat, this Sudha's mother, Sudha was shouting here, mummy, what you are going to do, I don't know. Somehow you need to score 5 runs. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡು ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಬಟ್ 5 runs ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹಿಟ್ 5 runs. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, Sudha. Then she scored 2 runs first. In the first ball, she scored 2 runs. Now it became 27. Okay, that number, total score of that girls team, it became 27. Now there were no runs in the next over. In the next over, it was completely maiden over. Maiden over means you know that there will not be any runs in that over. That is called maiden over. So now these girls were worried completely. So what to do? How to get the runs? Like that they were worrying. Then hurry up, mummy, called out Sudha. It means Sudha was keep on encouraging her mother. Mummy, you have to hit run. You have to get runs for our team. We need to win. We need to win. Like that she was shouting. Then the ball flew in the air for 4 runs. They had done it. Now 25 plus 2 runs, first she scored 27. Another 3 runs they wanted. But she hits this Sudha's mother, she hit ball for 4 runs now. It means became 31 runs. Now they won the match. They have done it. Girls, they have done it and they won the match. They had won the game and the girls jumped with lots of joy. It means they became completely happy. Okay, there was no fence for their joy and completely they were shouting and they were enjoying. The boys clapped for them. It means boys, they realized their mistake. Now they came to know that girls also they can play the cricket. Girls also, earlier what they thought, girls can't play cricket. Now what they are telling, girls can play cricket. This is the lesson they learned from these girls, Sudha and Sudha's mother, Preeti and Preeti's mother. From these ladies and girls, they learned the lesson. Boys learned the lesson. And we will play together from now on, said Sumit. Now Sumit, now he understood that. Okay, he understands what is correct and what is wrong. So we had overconfidence, so that we lost the game, and you were very good in cricket and you played very well, so that you won the match. So now we came to know that you can play cricket. So now onwards, we all together we can play the cricket. Like that Sumit told to those girls. Girls can play cricket. Everyone joined in. It means all the boys together they said that, oh, now we can say that girls also they can play cricket. So they are also equal to the men. They are also equal to the men. It means they are not behind. They are not behind. They are also like us. They are also like us. They are also human beings. We are all equal. So we need to consider them as equal. We should not make any discrimination and all. So this is the lesson they learnt here, those boys. So this is the lesson, girls can't play cricket. So now explanation of this lesson is over, dear children. If you have any doubts about this lesson, please call me or send me a message to ask your doubts. So with this I am going to conclude my today's class. In my next class I am going to start exercise part of this lesson. Take care children. Have a nice day.